left luggage. Quite a bit. I believe paid waiting room. Oh, poor girl in a wheelchair. Oh, there was a police officer which probably saw me filming. Haven't said anything. But either way, this train that I was talking about was going to Kharkov and Kiev. Those soldiers were going over there. I talked with the officer, but he did not give me, obviously, permission to can film it, so I have not. But that's what I did. Now I would like to know how, if I would want to do it now, would work for me to get out of here. Not because I'm planning to do this right now, but because I would like to know, and I don't. So that's what's going to be the mission for right now. Okay. So the situation seems to stop more than it did. Meaning more and more people are, oh, they look like Korean boys coming to war. Well, anyway, looks like it's a little bit more difficult than I thought to get out, which I need to bear in mind in case I will want to evacuate from here, and probably it's not going to make it any easier later. I need to think of it. Either way, time to check the food court, so to speak. A lot of people working in here and a lot of need for them. Young mother with her child just passes by. Ambulance working. Police patrols everywhere. We'll see if those won't have an issue. Okay, they turned back. But I noticed that cops stopped walking about in here with long guns most of the time, just sometimes. So that's that. A little bit more chilled. I don't know. Poor kid. He's offline. So he's chilling, he's sleeping with mama.
Завтра на вокзале все закроют, и ничего никто не будет давать. Но будем обращаться в горячую линию. Обратимся, у меня 6 родителей.
I just got a food, so that's nice. That's my food.
Нет еще горячего.
Let's walk about a little bit more and see what else we can see. Let's put that for now in here because I need my hands to be exact. There are buses which are transporting people Mostly it's Poland, but not only. Since look, it's more and more crowded in here. It's not good. Police are walking about left and right. I need to go forward then. Long lines, man, to get food. It wasn't so a few days ago. It gets worse. Now the soldiers are coming by. They with long guns to be able to film. I need to mess around a little bit with my angles. Oh, another air raid alarm. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's there. We'll see what's gonna happen, if anything is gonna happen. What do those guys do? Offer. What is this? World Kitchen? Oh, World Central Kitchen. Okay. Feels much more tension. I've been in here a couple of times and it was way more, I don't know, I would say chill. I don't know. I feel difference between how people behave right now, how many of them is here, and those long lines and all of that. It feels different. It's not the same. Way more stress. I don't know. They got scared or what's going on in here, but it's yeah. There is like 10 cops. I don't know. Looks like they are controlling some dude. I really don't want to be controlled like that because that's I already been there, done that. Not again, my boy. Not again.